Your patients think drugs are magic. They think you pop a pill and suddenly
your body gains a new superpower.
Let me shatter that dream right now. Drugs are stupid. They are uncreative, lifeless chemicals. They cannot teach your body how to do a single damn thing it doesn't already know how to do. This is the first law of pharmacodynamics. A drug can only speed up or slow down what your cells were already doing. We aren't wizards. We are just chemical middle managers screaming at the workers to work faster. Think of your body as a high-security 24-hour factory. Pharmacokinetics is the security team. Their job? To get this intruder the hell out! They check his ID, they escort him down the hall, they beat him up in the liver, and eventually, they kick him out the back door. Pharmacokinetic is what the body does to the drug. But pharmacodynamics is what happens when the security team fails. The drug makes it onto the factory floor, and now the drug is the manager.
pharmacodynamic is what the drug does to the body.
Does it turn the belts to max speed? Agonist. Does it cut the power lines? Antagonist. We are breaking this hijacking down into 6 levels of manipulation. Next episode, the inbox. The drug can't just yell at the cell, it has to fill out the paperwork. We'll cover receptor families from the fast text messages, ion channels, to the slow bureaucratic nightmares, nuclear receptors. Video 3, drug-receptor interactions. Once you get to the chair, what happens? Are you a full agonist or a competitive antagonist? The jerk who steals the seat just to block everyone else. Video 4, dose response. Don't panic, it's just graphs. We'll talk potency versus efficacy. You can kill a fly with a swatter or a stick of dynamite. The dynamite is more potent. It's also a terrible idea. Video 5, adaptive responses. You can only scream at the workers for so long before they ignore you. This is tolerance and tachyphylaxis. The body bricks up the windows to shut you out. Video 6, emerging tech. The cool new shit. PROTACs. We aren't just blocking receptors anymore. We are hiring hitmen to tag proteins for the wood chipper. It's not pharmacology, it's assassination.
In video 7, Pharmacogenetics. Why the drug saves patient A but kills patient B. We stop looking at the drug and start looking at the typos in your DNA. You can memorize lists of drugs until your eyes bleed. That's for amateurs. If you want to master the logic, click right here for episode 2. We're going to talk about the 4 families of receptors. I'm waiting. The factory doesn't run itself. Go click it.